7900 Dutch Canyon. Obviously it's a 2-car driveway. This is not exactly a shared driveway, which we do not do. You cannot park here, you have to park on that main street there. Remove the satellite dish. That's something we do on all properties. This property looks pretty clean. We love security doors, obviously for security, but also a lot of tenants like to have the airflow and not have to worry about kids or pets escaping. It looks like everything was just painted recently. It is white, and we do want to replace these with 2.5-inch forward blinds. We'll get the property manager's opinion on what to do with these 4 inset windows. I personally really like this backyard for what it is. We're higher than the people behind us, and you don't feel like your neighbors are looking over you. And the greenery is nice to step out and see. So I personally like it. Of course, we have an upgraded light fixture here, marble counters with an undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet, which is fantastic. Space saver microwave that's stainless steel and black. It's really great. Cabinets look like they were painted well, and the hinges are hidden and they were not painted over, so that's always a plus. Flooring is laminate, looks pretty consistent. We need a blind in here as well. Water heater has earthquake straps, does not have a drip pan. And a little place to hang things here. And here's the pantry. We do need a fridge. Storage goes back and to the left. Carpet looks good. Creaky on the landing. Not sure if that matters. Replace that blind. We have closet door guides and a rail. Very straightforward room. This thermostat can stay if it works. Here's the master. Replace these blinds. Carpet looks good. Laminate. Now, usually we like to put in tile. Tile is about $5 a square foot and about $1.50 more on the second floor. We'll get the property manager's opinion. This laminate looks new. It would be nice if we could keep it for now until it needs to be replaced. All of these door handles match, and they're the simple lock that can be opened with anything, really. So probably does not need to be replaced. That blind does need to be replaced. There is a towel bar here. Replace that blind. Beautiful upgraded fixture. Beautiful hand faucets, and the cabinets look great. And so does the counter, even though it's laminate. Replace that blind. There are no fans in any of the rooms, but everything does look really good. Has a good feel to the property. And that's that.